Deepak Sharma is a seasoned aviation executive with more than 2 decades of experience in the global aerospace and aviation industry. As the founder and CEO of AFL Aircraft Finance Lease Limited, AFL, he has built a reputation for delivering adaptable, client-focused financing solutions in a sector where timing, access to capital, and operational precision are critical. Respected for his leadership in aviation finance and known for shaping effective leasing strategies, Deepak Sharma's work continues to influence how aircraft and engine financing is structured and executed across international markets. His ability to blend technical expertise with strategic vision has positioned him as a trusted partner for airlines, lessors, and aviation stakeholders around the world. Deepak Sharma's professional journey began in technical and engineering roles that grounded him in the operational backbone of aviation. His early work at British Aerospace gave him first-hand insight into aircraft systems, performance, and maintenance requirements. This was followed by a role at Brymon Airways Engineering, a subsidiary of British Airways, where he dealt with the complexities of airline engineering operations. These formative years built a strong technical foundation and a disciplined, solutions-oriented approach to problem-solving. They also gave Sharma a clear understanding of the interplay between operational reliability, safety standards, and commercial objectives, knowledge that would prove essential as his career advanced. A pivotal step came when he joined UK International Airlines as engineering director. There, he established the airline's operations and engineering department, overseeing its launch and ensuring regulatory compliance from the ground up. His contributions were recognized with a formal certificate of achievement, marking the beginning of his transition from technical leadership to broader executive responsibility. Before founding AFL, Deepak Sharma held senior leadership positions in major aviation service organizations. At AJW Group, where he served as Chief Technical Officer, Sharma led transformation initiatives that modernized operational processes and expanded global service capabilities. He was responsible for overseeing technical strategy across international markets, ensuring that solutions delivered to clients aligned with both operational requirements and commercial goals. Later, as president of integrated solutions at a leading global aviation services provider, he expanded service portfolios and implemented integrated operational strategies. In this role, he worked closely with airlines, lessors, and MRO providers to design financing and maintenance programs tailored to evolving market demands. Across more than a decade in executive leadership, Sharma has successfully navigated market growth cycles, economic downturns, and regulatory changes. He has maintained a consistent focus on revenue growth, EBITDA improvement, and long-term client relationships, adapting to changing conditions while keeping client objectives at the center of decision-making. In 2019, Deepak Sharma founded Aircraft Finance Lease Limited in London. AFL specializes in providing financing and leasing solutions for the aviation and aerospace sectors, serving aircraft and engine lessors, airlines, and other aviation stakeholders. AFL's mission is clear: simplify complex transactions, create flexible financing structures, and deliver measurable value. Sharma's leadership ensures that AFL's offerings are not static but evolve with the industry, adapting to regulatory developments, market shifts, and operational demands. Under his guidance, AFL has built a reputation as a trusted partner for both established operators and carriers in emerging markets. The company's ability to provide innovative, adaptable solutions has made it a go-to resource for clients seeking financing arrangements that balance short-term flexibility with long-term stability. One of the defining features of Deepak Sharma's leadership is his commitment to client-focused service. AFL's financing solutions are developed through direct engagement with clients, ensuring a clear understanding of both immediate needs and long-term plans. This approach allows AFL to design agreements that remain viable even in volatile market conditions. For example, when a regional airline faced unexpected OEM delays and funding challenges, AFL restructured the lease terms rather than enforcing strict contractual conditions. This decision allowed the airline to stabilize operations and eventually return to growth, transforming a potential setback into an enduring partnership. This willingness to adapt to client circumstances is a core part of Sharma's philosophy, that long-term value is created by doing what is right for both parties, not simply by protecting contractual terms. In aviation finance, large-scale transactions often involve multiple stakeholders, regulatory oversight, and significant operational risks. Deepak Sharma has guided AFL through such complex arrangements by prioritizing risk mitigation, clear communication, and contractual flexibility. One example involved supporting a national carrier during privatization while executing a multi-aircraft lease program. Managing the interests of government bodies, investors, and a new management team required a balance of diplomacy, technical expertise, and strategic foresight. The transaction model developed for this deal has since been adapted for similar situations, underscoring Sharma's ability to create scalable solutions for complex industry challenges. Sharma ensures that client feedback is built into AFL's operational processes. In complex, multi-party deals, a dedicated point of contact is assigned to capture client concerns and observations in real time. Post-transaction reviews identify trends and recurring issues, allowing the company to refine its offerings continuously. For Deepak Sharma, feedback is more than a performance measure. It is a strategic tool that informs future product design, operational adjustments, and risk management practices. The aviation industry operates in an environment of constant change, driven by regulatory developments, technological advancements, and market volatility. Under Deepak Sharma's leadership, AFL maintains the agility to adapt quickly. Recent years have seen the introduction of regulatory frameworks like CORSIA and new EU taxonomy requirements, both of which have significant implications for financing structures. AFL anticipates such changes, adjusting terms and advising clients proactively so they can maintain compliance without operational disruption. By staying ahead of regulatory, market, and technological trends, AFL reduces complexity for clients and positions them to remain competitive even in uncertain conditions. Inside AFL, Sharma has cultivated a culture that places the client at the heart of every decision. This is reinforced through cross-functional workshops, client insight sessions, and recognition programs for team members who go above and beyond. The aim is to make client-first thinking a part of daily operations rather than a procedural afterthought. This cultural alignment ensures consistency in service delivery and strengthens AFL's position as a trusted partner. Sustaining high levels of client service while maintaining financial and operational discipline is a key leadership priority for Deepak Sharma. AFL operates with lean structures, leverages automation to reduce overhead, and enforces rigorous credit evaluations to maintain financial stability. At the same time, client-facing teams are empowered to deliver personalized service, ensuring that efficiency never comes at the cost of client experience. This balance allows AFL to remain resilient while continuing to deliver value across a diverse client base. Deepak Sharma holds a degree in aircraft engineering and an EASA license across multiple categories, as well as advanced qualifications in aviation, contract law, and business administration. His recognition as a Fellow of the Royal Aeronautical Society, FRAES, reflects his standing within the industry. These credentials, combined with more than 20 years of direct industry experience, give Sharma both the technical authority and the commercial acumen to lead in a competitive global market. From his early engineering roles to founding and leading AFL, Deepak Sharma has built a career defined by technical competence, strategic vision, and an unwavering commitment to client outcomes. His leadership in aviation finance has shaped how complex transactions are structured, how risks are managed, and how long-term partnerships are cultivated. With experience spanning airlines, MRO operations, suppliers, and the global aviation supply chain, Sharma brings a multidimensional perspective to every deal. This enables him to anticipate challenges, identify opportunities, and align financing strategies with market realities. In a highly regulated and competitive industry, Deepak Sharma continues to demonstrate that long-term success depends on balancing financial discipline with a genuine focus on delivering value to clients. Deepak Sharma's career reflects a rare combination of technical depth, executive leadership, and client-first principles. Through AFL Aircraft Finance Lease Limited, he has built an organization that adapts to market shifts, navigates complex regulatory environments, and consistently delivers financing solutions that meet the needs of a diverse, global client base. His ongoing influence in the aviation sector, from structuring innovative lease agreements to guiding clients through high-stakes transitions, ensures that his role in shaping the future of aviation finance will remain significant in the years ahead.